Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Notta Pro login problems, language and account errors step by step clearly. If you're facing login problems with Notta Pro, don't worry. We'll walk you through the steps to resolve language and account errors. Start by checking your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for logging in. Next, ensure that you're using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you're unsure, you can reset your password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. If you're still facing issues, check the language settings. Make sure the app is set to your preferred language. Sometimes, changing the language can help with the user interface. If your account is locked or suspended, contact Notta Pro support. Use the support link found on their website for assistance. Be prepared to provide your account details. This will help the support team identify and resolve your issue. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. Some VPNs can interfere with login processes. Clear your browser cache if you are using a web version. Cached data may cause unexpected behavior during login. Try accessing your account from a different browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is device-specific. If all else fails, uninstalling and reinstalling the app may help. This can resolve glitches that hinder the login experience. If the problem persists, consider checking for updates. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Sometimes, login problems are due to outdated software. Follow these steps, and you should be able to resolve your Notta Pro login issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.